The threads are a bit filthy right over there. So we're gonna clean them off with a brush first. As good as we can. So this one, and perhaps the little one right over there. Let's check it out. Oh, yeah, this brush will do. These ones are pretty great. It's for brakes, but nice for in tight places, like this one. And the other, yeah, toss it. The other one. Oh, right over there. It's not too filthy, but still. If you can clean it up, clean it up. And there we go. And let's check it out, how stuck this one will be. Oh, a little tighter, but this one, yeah, like 2 Newton meters of difference perhaps. Yeah. Before I take off the last one, so I'll put this one right over here, because we will need this one immediately when we put on a new pan to keep it in place. And I'm gonna take the old pan or another one, just yep, to protect the floor a bit. Yep, this will do. Some rags, perhaps. Still have to take one off. Yep. So, 2 little nuts, put them over here so I can access them immediately. Now the oil pan, it's still on there with some Loctite. Yep, looks like. I'm gonna check thoroughly that we have all the bolts. Yep. We took them out everywhere, I think. Yep, looks good, looks good. So I'm gonna use a little lever to knock it off. Yep, little tire iron will do, I think. And starch it from one side. To massage it to make it come everywhere where you can stick it in. It should be it should be good. So yeah, this is looking good. Now the other side. Move my bolts. Yeah, let's wiggle it from over here, perhaps. Can I stick it in over there? Yep, we can. Yep. It's coming. It's coming. This side is loose. Now the other side. I'm gonna place my little nuts a bit further so I don't run over. Yep. Now this side, gently find somewhere to lever. Perhaps over here a bit. Oh yeah, it's starting to come. Over there, no, nowhere here to stick in my little lever. Yeah, just a little bit. It should be good to go. Pull it down a bit. Yep, and it's coming. It's coming. So we can almost wiggle it off. Just not yet. Beware, it falls on your face if you don't grab it. Ah, my lever is just a little bit too big. Ah, and there we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. So, and I ran over the nuts, of course I did. This is a pretty good. Let's check it out for drip. Yep, should be good. Now we're gonna look at that dent. Damn. So I let it drip out the whole night, night and a day even. Now look at this. Still some oil in there, but nice and clean. So let's put a good oil change. This engine has almost 300,000 kilometers on it. This looks very, very clean. For a diesel engine, it's super clean. So I'm pretty proud about that. Yes, good things, good things. And now we're gonna clean it off and clean the surface with a no, there's no blade in it. There's a blade, but it's oh, it's still okay. So we have to use a little razor blade like this to clean it off. Check out, what do we have here? We still have some blades that are, I have one over there. It's in good shape, I think. Of course, be careful. Yep, this is looking